Hello and good afternoon everyone for this 15 days update meeting of Hrrkoin जिसमें हम डिस्कस करते हैं एवरी डिपार्टमेंट्स के प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट्स एंड अपडेट्स के लिए। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू फॉर एवरी डिपार्टमेंट फॉर जॉइनिंग दिस मीटिंग। हैव होपफुली प्रीवियस जो 15 डेज़ के टारगेट्स थे एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट्स थे वो अचीव हुए होंगे या फिर कुछ प्रोग्रेस हुई होगी। इट्स eagerly waiting for hearing क्या progress हुआ है। So starting with digital department itself say, so as you all know I'm from digital department and we had हम लोग का एक certain goals and timelines for certain projects का। So I would like to share my screen for this, one second। So is my screen visible to everyone?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you Harshil। सो होपफुली सबने विजिट करा होगा हरकोइन वेबसाइट। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट हरकोइन वेबसाइट लुक्स लाइक। सो मेन जो चैलेंज था वेबसाइट का कि देयर वर लॉट्स ऑफ चेंजेस, देयर आर स्टिल। मेन चेंजेस था कि ये जो बटन्स वगैरह हैं देयर आर सर्टेन बटन्स टू रीलिंक टू डिफरेंट पेजेस पे। तो इफ़ यू स्क्रॉल ना तो ओवरऑल पेजेस पे ऐसे बटन्स हैं। सो अर्लियर ये क्या होता था कि यहाँ पे हम क्लिक करें तो हमें यही होम पेज पे ही रीडायरेक्ट करता था। बट नाउ ये अब ऐसे अपडेट हुआ है कि व्हेन आई एम क्लिकिंग दिस बटन इट टेक्स मी टू अ डिफरेंट पेज। सो ये एक अपडेट करा है कि एवरी डेजिग्नेटेड सेक्शन हैज़ देयर ओन रीडायरेक्टिंग। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं अलग अलग इस पे प्रोटोकॉल्स पे क्लिक करूँगा तो दे विल टेक मी टू द डेजिग्नेटेड प्रोटोकॉल। बट पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था। पहले मैं अगर लिंक क्लिक कर रहा था तो मुझे वो यही होम पेज पे लेके जा रहा था, तो ये रीडायरेक्ट कर रहा था यहाँ पे। तो दिस वाज समथिंग व्हिच इम्प्रूव करा पूरे सब जगह पे। सर्टेन कंटेंट्स वगैरह चेंज हुए थे ओवरऑल वेबसाइट पे। एंड द बिगेस्ट वुड बी इंक्लूजन ऑफ ब्लॉग्स पे। तो वी पुट सर्टेन ब्लॉग्स यहाँ पे, वो एक पेज यहाँ पे रेडी करके सर्टेन ब्लॉग्स पुट कर रहे थे। तो वी हैव पुट सम अराउंड 4 to 6 blocks last 15 days। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड। एंड उसके अलावा वेबसाइट पे करंट चेंजेस भी हुए हैं, ये जैसे कि ब्लॉग सेक्शन के बैकग्राउंड है वो सब चेंजेस हुए हैं। अदर चेंजेस भी हुए हैं कि हाइपर लिंक है, लोगों पे क्लिक करने पे यू कैन नेविगेट ये सेक्शन पेजेस पे अलग अलग। एसईओ चेंजेस हुए हैं काफ़ी इस पे। यू हैव इंक्रीज्ड certain number of users with this, at least 20 to 30%। बिगेस्ट एक चैलेंज जो था वो ये था कि पहले साइट किट नहीं था अपनी वेबसाइट पे लिंक। सो वी हैड दिस गूगल साइट आल्सो, साइट किट विद लिंक, जिससे गूगल सर्च कंसोल एंड एनालिटिक्स का जो डेटा है वो हमें डायरेक्टली फेच होता है वेबसाइट पे। तो कितने नंबर ऑफ यूज़र्स आए हैं, कितने कौन से कंट्रीज से आए हैं, ये सब पता चलता है। अलॉन्ग विद दिस हमारा जो करंट ड्राइव जो चल ही रहा है हायरिंग का, यू गाइस नो दैट कि इंटर्नशिप वगैरह के लिए वी आर हायरिंग पीपल नाउ। सो उसके लिए भी आई हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मेक पोस्ट वगैरह विच इज जस्ट स्टिल लाइव। तो उसके लिए गूगल फॉर्म वगैरह बनाया था, पोस्ट बनाया। सो दिस इज गॉन टू लिंक्डइन वगैरह पे एंड अदर सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट पे, साइट्स पे। अलॉन्ग विद दैट काफ़ी मेंबर्स जो थे हमारी टीम में वो इंक्रीज़ हुए हैं। तो हर एक मेंबर्स के लिए वी क्रिएटेड वेलकम टीम पोस्ट ये बनाई थी, which is made to welcome the team members of all departments। So this was something which was made। So काफ़ी progress हुआ है in terms of website and social media। And the next goal, next 15 days का goal is to इम्प्रूव दिस साइट फर्दर, जिसमें अभी और भी चेंजेस करने बाकी हैं। सोशल मीडिया वगैरह के जो ये लिंक्स हैं वो इम्प्रूव करने हैं। एक दूसरा लेआउट वगैरह है ओवरऑल, वो कुछ एक देखना है जो बचा है, विच इज़ हैज़ इट्स इन स्टिल डिस्कशन पे, मतलब। तो अभी फ़िलहाल उस पे मोर डिटेल्स कैन नॉट बी शेयर्ड, बट नेक्स्ट 15 डेज़ में काफ़ी चीज़ें चेंज हो जाएंगी वेबसाइट में, इफ यू गाइस विल लुक दिस वेबसाइट पे। तो सो या, दिस इज़ ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड, एंड डिजिटल टीम की नेक्स्ट कलीग हैं शुभी, सो आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट शुभी टू टेक दिस further. Should
Hi, thank you, Amrit, for sharing such impactful insights from your work since 15 days. Um, I would like to share my screen and show what the progress we have made since 15 days, क्या-क्या हम लोग ने काम किया है as a digital marketer, and also क्या-क्या हम और आगे करने वाले हैं. Is my screen visible to you all?
It is should be.
हाँ, शुभी विजिबल।
Thank you. या सो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत लाइक सोशल मीडिया पे काम किया है, क्रिएटिंग सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट फॉर डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स फॉर आवर फॉर आवर कंपनी। तो उसके लिए क्या क्या अगस्त में हम क्या क्या एक लेआउट रखेंगे, कैसा हमारा एक रोड मैप रहने वाला है फॉर द नेक्स्ट मंथ, what posts will be posting and what all our audience can see, can have a look at. So this is for LinkedIn that I've created. This is kind of a content calendar which helps me to organize what posts I have done created and what posts I will be creating and posting online. So for LinkedIn platform, I have assigned Thursdays for her, like for our own brand post, and then Fridays will be for the new facts or some trends going on in the blockchain or AI in our field, and the Tuesdays will be some interesting news or the blogs about the same. Um, the posts which I have created for LinkedIn and Meta. I'll show you like this. It's what I've given this name is Friday Facts. So इस तरह से I have created some fun facts about what blockchain is and around the world what impact it has created, or something interesting facts about blockchain which not everybody knows about. And then this will be our own Hrrkoin page post that will be showing हम क्या आगे करने वाले हैं, what the audience is going to see, uh, what services we are providing for our community, and then these did you know posts I've created. If we get to this content calendar again, so yeah, I've created these posts according to a day wise for whole month. If we talk about Meta, so LinkedIn and Meta will always like almost same post they'll be having. Then Twitter have highlighted the days when I will be posting, like the post that we'll create on those days. And then here I have some content for the post that I will be posting on Twitter. So some news related things about crypto or uh, Hrrkoin or the blockchain that a community that we're building, or some new events are coming on our website, or something, some news is getting circulated. So that will be posted on Twitter and our other channel as well, that is Discord and Telegram. And then I've created some sample posts for Reddit blogs that I will be creating very soon. And yeah, some festivals posts I've also created. So that was my part for this, and that was my part as in this digital department. And now I'll have the next department, that is the development and designing team, to speak something on this.
Thank you so much, Shubhi, for your insights. And I would like to invite design and development department, say Harshal and Arif. So Harshal, why don't you, start with your insights first?
Sure, Amrit. So, hello everyone, I'm Mr. Larya. I am from Design Department, and Arif with me is from the Development Department. We will mostly tell you about the progress which we made in the past 15 days in the Design Department. And so, first of all, thank you, the Digital Department also. The work you did in the past 15 days is actually very good. Also, one thing that I noticed in in the website was the initial thing that I started as my task was the banner. The Hrrkoin website home banner was the first thing that came to my mind, which didn't actually reflect much of our own task, and was not actually reflecting what work we are going to do in the past in the future. Like if you see through this, we are just explaining what exactly our products are, but not showcasing what exactly we can be doing. We have to be doing with these things. So uh, if my screen is properly visible, then I can start with the Figma overview, the work which I did in past 15 days. So just let me just confirm me once if my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah, Harshal, it's visible.
Okay. So my initial task was to create to design a banner for the home screen, which I tried a few ideas, took a few ideas from Behance or maybe some other site designing website, and I tried creating my own designs as well. Some of these designs were like this, or maybe this, or maybe some other variations of these, and then I finalized my designs to some of the final variations, I would say, which were like this. So uh, my aim is to create a dark theme which actually represents the cryptocurrency and the blockchain websites mostly which people use, and showcase exactly what we are showcasing in in our Hrrkoin website, but in a different and an attractive way. So these are some designs as well, and the structure that I planned for the initial content or maybe initial phases of the website. I'll be further. I'll be designing the website as well for the future, and in the next 15 days, I'll try to show you what exactly I have approached afterwards. Other than this, I can show you the Telegram app. So our initial task was to create Telegram web app, and we had an initial design also, which I had the initial design which I took as a reference for the Telegram app, and my main job was to customize it so that we can reduce the number of screens, and create a less heavy app for the design as well. Okay, so this is the initial design which I was using or referring to as the helping part for my design. So this is the app. If I need to show you the better version of it, I guess this one is the yes, yeah. Hmm. So this is our first and initial design which we were using as the reference. If you see, there is the home screen. If you click it, then you come to the first page as the introduction screen, which explains you what exactly Hrrkoin is and how we proceed with the proceed with the task and explain the people about it. Then comes the next screen where again we are explaining some of the other tasks. And when you reach through these four screens, then you come to the part where you sign in for the application. So you need to consider the background that this is the design which we were planning to use as the Play Store app, but then we started the ideation for the Telegram web app. So our Play Store app required some sign-in option and the referral codes and the OTP codes. So we created and designed the pages for them as well. So this is the part where you sign in and then you get the code, and then when you add the code, then you get some tokens. When you earn those tokens, then you move forward, and then you choose which currency you want to use to withdraw the amount for yourself, or redeem the amount for yourself. And it's definitely going to be Hrrkoin in the future when we launch our own cryptocurrency. And then when it asks you the first page after completing all those initial details, it asks you to complete the basic profile, which will help you boost your own earning rate by 3x. Okay, then you start doing the basic profile. The profile will help you achieve the tokens, as I said. So you do the profile, you enter the OTP, and then you submit your phone number, and then you get 3x as a reward. And then you can earn more and more as you proceed further, just like the professional profile, which asks you for your past jobs, annual income, previous salary, and what all education you had, what all design departments, or any other work that you did in the past. And after that, you can again earn some or the other some part of the currency and boost your earning rate. Then you go to the member community section, where you can follow our Hrrkoin channel from via maybe on Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, and any other uh, v- uh, member community app which are there in the platform, where we have launched our own page as Hrrkoin. And then you can again get some boost. So after all these things, you can actually invite your own friends, invite your relatives, or anyone who you know will be interested, or maybe can be made interested in using the Hrrkoin app or the Telegram web app. You can send the code to them, and then he can come and visit us, and you can do the design, like participate in the whole section as well. Okay, and again, there are many different ways to boost your earning. There is a different page through which you can understand it. And then after completing all those sections, you come to the home page. Home page is the part where you start earning your money. You have got those boosts from which you can boost your earning rate, and now it gets implemented and you start earning. So this is the place where you start earning. You click on the uh, our Hrrkoin logo, and then it starts spinning, and then it gives you an indication that this will be the way you will be earning, and it will run for a certain time. For our own perspective, we haven't decided the time yet. And then yeah, when it will be launched, then you will also have a clue of how it works and run. And then in the below sections, you can see what your progress is, what all tasks you can complete to earn more, or what all tasks is remaining. And there are sections through which you can follow our Hrrkoin app, and then explore more the blogs or the different reading sections which we have available in our website, which you can explore through this, and then invite a friend. These are the initial design phase, so these are not exactly made properly at this point, and this will be more nourished in the future. Again, then comes the member community, where you can follow our website and any other social media app, and you can customize your own profile in this section, and you can understand what all things you can do or not do in the app. Other than this, there are different many more sections that could come, and many more sections that can be like removed from the application based on what exactly we need, or what exactly we need to focus in the future. I guess other than this, there are many other things that are left and has to be done. So in the future, I'll show you more on this in the future meetings. So by this, I conclude my part of the presentation, and I proceed to Arif, who is the development department member, and he'll give you a guide on what exactly has to be developed. Thank you.
Yeah, Harshal, I mean, that was great. That was a very good, and deep insights on the design. And actually eagerly waiting कि क्या क्या changes आते हैं design parts में to see the variations. Thank you very much, Harshal.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, RF, if you continue with your findings.
So yes, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you very much, Harshal, for your designs and your insights regarding those designs. And I will be discussing like how we will implement that design in our web application. So first of all, let me share my screen, and please let me know if it is visible. Let's see. Is it visible or not? Can you please anyone give me a heads up?
Yeah, yeah. Arif is
Okay,
visible.
so
Yes, this.
yes, in the last 15 days, I have also written code for this web application, and I have also done some hiring for the interns and a contributor to uh, इसमें include करने के लिए. So what we want is to make a web application, and for now I have completed some pages. For now, this 4 hour splash screen, so we are not counting that. And for the login part, we are using SSO, which is nothing but a single sign in on, which uses aggregator sites like Google, Apple, and another site to log in application, and it saves the user data. And we have implemented a referral code system which tracks the number of referrals which a user gives, and it collects the and it saves the number of coins which user have earned by referring them. And we have also as you all know, Harshal has explained the tokenomics of the application, like how you can earn and what are the main main option for you to earn this. So for this, we have also created a profile page. For the last 15 days, till now we have only created a profile page, and it has a profile details and the challenges we faced in this. So we need a API. We needed a API to send the data to the database to save these changes. So for now, and this profile contains a text file. It usually contains the text as a profile name, number, and all other things. But it also contains a resume or something, a PDF file, something like that. So if we have to send the PDF file, we have to convert it into some other format which we can send over the internet. So that was the challenges we have faced right now. And for the other implementation, we have only with the starting pages, we have only implemented the dashboard, and it contains the tasks and all. And while interviewing, I have also made an assessment to the people, so that for the contributor role. And I also got some replies from them, and some of the yes, I also have a link for one of the projects which is done by them. So this is how it looks from their side. This was the assignment I have sent to them, and they've implemented it. And so what we are trying to do is implement this, and so that it will increase the interactivity, so we can increase the communication and interaction within the community with this. So I think we should also complete this application as fast as possible, so that it can be available for the community, and the contributors can contribute in the this open source application. uh, and that's all from my side. Thank you, and we can start with the next department.
Yeah, thank you so much, Arif. It's good to see the insights and finally to see कि ऐप कैसे होस्ट होने के बाद दिखता है. It's interesting to see कि different designs या perspective कैसे होंगे and waiting eagerly to see a full-fledged version app का. So taking forward this insights to a different part, our HR department is also with us. So Priyan, why don't you start with your insights first?
Yeah, thank you so much, Amrit. So now I am presenting my screen, and please let me know if my screen is visible. Is my screen is visible?
Yeah, yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So basically, I am from the HR department. So I will start presenting my slides. So we mean I am doing the work for hiring the candidate. सो हमने पहले एक प्रिपेयरिंग द जॉब पोस्ट किया है जिसमें हम पोस्ट करते हैं कि विच जॉब वी आर लुकिंग फॉर. So this is the job post we are preparing it. After job posting, we have several candidates who have responded it.
Priyan,
So
yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt, but तुमने गलती से गूगल मीट वाला स्क्रीन शेयर करा है.
okay, okay, sorry.
Yeah, no worries.
So now it's my screen is visible.
Yeah, now it's visible.
Yeah, thank you so much, Amre. So I am basically the part of HR department. We are hiring the candidates as per the company's alliance. So we are hiring for a job that is corporate alliance manager. So first of all, we are preparing the job post, and then the job post is prepared. The candidates have applied it, and these are the list of candidates who have applied it. And we have shortlisted eight, and we have 281 candidates who have applied it. सो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग वी आर सोर्सिंग द कैंडिडेट. हम लोग सोर्स करते हैं कि ऑन दैट बेसिस विच कैंडिडेट इज सुटेबल फॉर द रोल and which is not suitable, means sourcing the data from the category wise. So this is the sourcing sheet. एंड आफ्टर सोर्सिंग वी आर स्क्रीनिंग द रिज्यूमे. हम स्क्रीन करते हैं रिज्यूमेस को कि कैंडिडेट सुटेबल है कि नहीं है, इस कैंडिडेट इज़ अप टू द क्राइटेरिया और नॉट. That's we are screening the resume, and after screening we are taking interviews of the candidate. I am calling the candidate that the candidate is available at this time, the candidate is rescheduling or not. And many of candidates are having question regarding the money and all that. So I am solving that questions. So and we are taking interviews, we are sharing the links, and I am sharing the links that most of the time uh, we have many technologies like. एंड देन हम लोग हायरिंग करते हैं. हायरिंग हम लोग इंटरव्यूज़ लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं. शॉर्टलिस्ट होने के बाद हम लोग हायरिंग करते हैं. हायरिंग और कौन से बेसिस पे करते हैं कि उनका क्राइटेरिया फिक्स है कि नहीं है, वो सुटेबल है क्राइटेरिया के बेसिस पे और नॉट. So on hiring, we are providing one documentation mail to them, and after they are submitting their documentation, and we are verifying the documentation. After documentation, we are giving them onboarding. We are providing links for the onboarding. We are giving them offer letter, and then we will. हम लोग कैंडिडेट को बोलते हैं कि फ्रॉम दिस डेट वी आर यू आर ज्वाइनिंग द कंपनी. सो to share you one good news with you all. So we have currently open. We have many position open for a particular roles. Like we have web also. We have technical role also, and one more thing we have open right now. So we have currently open one role that is corporate alliance, and after posting the post in different portals, we have received so many of interest candidates. So I will share you one video with you. So this is the video I have shooted, and we have currently we have currently candidates is 1854 in the particular position, and today also we will see that today also we have 281 candidates are showing their interest in this particular profile. So it seems that I am facing a little bit difficulty for shortlisting this many candidates resumes and taking time with particular candidates. And more and more we have many candidate many other position also. For that we have same number of candidates who are applying for the position. So thank you. So we are happy and we are looking forward to see more and more candidates to join in different departments. So this is the positive, this is the impact that we are facing, and we will solve this problem very soon. Thank you so much. So that's all from my side. So now I will call Nikita. She is my colleague and she will explain you more. Thank you.
Thank you, Freyan, for
As
your insights. You know, so Nikita, I would request you to carry forward those insights, please.
yeah, hi everyone. So I'm Nitika from HR team. So as Freyan said, like we did hiring for corporate alliance. So we got a very good response for that. But actually, there was also many issues which we faced. Wait, I'm sharing the screen with you. Wait, huh? Mm, is my screen visible to you guys?
Yes, Nikita.
So these are the applications which we got for the corporate alliance. Yeah, so we took interviews for these many candidates, but the issue was they were not prepared. And we shared the details of JDs and the company's website to ensure that they had necessary information for the interview, but they were not really ready with the preparation and everything. So that we faced a problem with that. And still we were able to recruit two candidates from these lot many applications. Those are Ankita and Ekta, which have recently joined our company. And apart from that, we I'm hiring doctors for various roles. Wait, I'm sharing my screen with you. Mm, is my screen visible?
Yes, Nikita, it is visible.
So we did hiring for BHMS, BAMS, OT, Operation Theatre Technician, neurosurgeons. So these are the applications which I received, like resumes which got shortlisted for these many positions: gastrologist, MBBS, neurosurgeon, and etc. Like cardiologist, like they all have like different. These are for different locations like Bhiwani, Raipur, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, like etc. Agra and everything. So these are many the candidates. So this is the list, my daily tracker, which I used to maintain. So these are the interested and non interested people who are not answering everything. So yeah, so this is my data. Like we did from past 15 years, 15, sorry, not years, 15 days. Yes, I'm so sorry. So that's it from my side. I want like Ankita to continue. Mm,
Thank you, Nitika, for your insights. We have new joinees for business development में आज हमारे साथ. If I correct me if I'm wrong, Ekta and
yeah, Ekta, Ankita.
yeah, Ekta and Ankita. You know, can you please introduce yourself कि मतलब डिपार्टमेंट में है कब से क्या है. So Ankita, would you please Ankita. So while Ankita is getting ready, Ekta, if you're ready, you can go ahead, please.
Yes, sure. So, hello everyone. I'm Ekta Garg from BDM department. So, I'm happy to share that yesterday I'm starting a new position with Hrrkoin as a corporate alliance manager. So, basically, I'm from Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh, and recently I'm completed my master's, that is MBA from Sharda University in marketing specialization. And I also done many certified courses along with some internships. And so working with Hrrkoin is something I'm really excited about. And so that's all about me.
I think Ankita isn't available at this moment because her mic is not working. So I guess Thika, you can only introduce her for from your side in short, I guess. I think Nitika is also not available. Amrit, you can only give the final conclusion, I guess.
Yeah, it seems कि Ankita का mic नहीं work कर रहा, so for the time being, conclude करते हैं इसको issue, and we'll have her introduce next time. So thank you everyone, to be present here and to give your insights for this, for our department and progress के लिए. And I really wish कि जो next 15 days के जो goals हैं, targets हैं, वो achieve करें, and let's make this company and community grow to a big level, and let's increase the community so that contributors increase, and we can have this journey अच्छे से and seamlessly. So thank you everyone for participating in this meeting, and we'll surely see for the next meeting में कि क्या क्या changes होते हैं. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.